Students, good afternoon to all and welcome to science class. Last class we have seen how to protect sense organ up to skin. In today's class we are going to see good touch, bad touch and don't touch. Take page number 74. Look at inside the picture. In the park, Janani plays with the puppy. She runs after a butterfly to catch it. What they have said? A small girl named Janani plays with the puppy. She chased a butterfly to catch it. Okay, this was the meaning. Next, they have given us a conversation between mother and Janani. Let us see. Come. Mother, Janani, did you notice what happens when you touch the butterfly? What mother is asking to a small girl, Janani? What happened when you touch the butterfly? For that, Janani answers C. Yes, mom, it flew away. Flew means past tense of fly. Okay. It flew away. What she said? It flied away. Again, for that mother replying C. Now tell me, why do you think it flew? Mother is asking a question. For what reason it flew, are you thinking? For that Janani replying C. I think it did not like my touch. What a small girl is saying. I think it will not like my touch. So it flew away. Next, move on to page number 75. The conversation is continuing. See, mother, maybe it did not, but it wanted to be safe. Now, I am going to tell you 3 rules to keep yourself safe. Okay, mom. What a mother has said. Yes, that also one reason. Again, one is it want to be safe. So, it flew away. Now, mother is giving a general instruction to a small girl. It is very important. Listen all the one carefully, ma. Their mother said 3 rules that will come next to next. See, next, Janani replies, okay, mom. She is accepting and ready to listen. Mom is saying, there are body parts that you and others can see and touch, like your arms and hands. What saying, mother? There are body parts which others can see and touch. It will not problem. See next one. But there are also some body parts that no one should see or touch, like our chest, between our legs and our bottom. These parts are called private parts. What are they called? Now what is mother saying? First, mother said there are body parts that others can see and touch. It will not cause any problem. Again saying, see, there are some body parts which others should not see and touch. What are all they? Means chest, in between our legs and our bottom. These parts are called private parts. Private part means others should not see and touch. And asking a question to a small girl, what are they called? For the Janani replying, see, that is a dash no. What you have to write? They are called private parts. Okay, answer is they are called private parts. Answer is given above itself. If you understand means you can write easily. Now again for that mother replying, see, so now let me tell you the rule number 1. Mother already said no. I going to say 3 rules. Now she started to tell first rule. It is never right for anyone to look at, touch or talk about your private parts. And it is never right for someone older than you to ask you to look, touch or talk about their private parts. What a mother has said. First, rule number 1 is it is never right for anyone to look at, touch or talk about your private parts. That means about your private parts no one should speak and touch. And older than you, they also should not talk about their private parts and ask to touch. This is rule number 1. For that, Janani replying, but mom, don't you give me bath daily? What she is saying? Don't you give me bath daily? She is asking a question, but daily you are giving me a bath. For that, mother replies, see, very good question. Who else knows that I gave you a bath? Mother says it was a very good question. Who else know that I gave you a bath? Who and all know that I gave you a bath? She also again asking a question. For that, Janani replies, Dad, Grandpa, Grandma and Jagan know that you gave me bath. Okay. She replied, Mother, correct. When we are small, our mom or dad might touch us to help us to be clean. It is never a secret and it is okay to tell someone about it. For that, mother answering, see, when we are small, our mother or dad will help us to clean. It is not a secret and saying about it also not at all a problem when we are small. Next, Janani, I got it, mom. It is never right for anyone to dash. See, next dash answer, touch or dash. Talk about my private parts, but it is never a right. What means here they have given 4 dashes. Now I continuously read, listen carefully and find the answer. I got it, mom. It is never right for anyone to see, touch or talk about my private parts, but it is never a right. Now Janani understand well and replace correctly. For that, mom again said, very good. Some touches are good or safe, like when we shake our hands, but some touches are bad or unsafe, like when we hit someone. Can we hit someone? Now mother is explaining good touch and bad touch. Okay, what are all the good touch? She explains means when we shake hand, it is a good one. Again, she said, what are all the bad touch means? When we hit someone, it is a bad touch. And finally, she asked a question to Janani, can we hit someone? For that, Janani replying, see, it is a dash. You have to answer. Now I say the answer. No one we shouldn't hit. We should not hit anyone. Okay, mom? That is the answer. Next, now we move on to page number 76. Again, the conversation is continuing. Mother, bad touches might make you feel sad, angry, scared, or confused. If you do not like any touch, or if it makes you sad, angry, or scared, tell them to stop, scream, stop, and run away. This is the rule number 2. Explaining, see, if any touch make you feel sad, angry, scared or confused means it is a bad touch. At that time you have to scream, stop and run away from that place. This is the rule number 2. Janani, okay mom, if I do not like any touch, I scream, stop and run away. 2 dashes given. For that, first dash answer is stop and second dash ran away. Above itself answer given, but if you listen means you can write. Next, mother, very good. Now let me tell you the rule number 3. Tell an adult you trust about the bad touch. Keep telling until you get the help you need. Now, mother said about the rule number 3. What means? Tell an adult you trust. Adult means whether your parents or teachers, okay, who you trust, who really can help you. You feel inside no. They you can seek a help until you get the help. See, for that Janani replies, I should tell an adult I trust till I get help. That 2 dashes were given. For first dash, tell an adult. For second dash, help. Okay, I should tell an adult I trust till I get help. Okay, ma'am. Next, Janani, remember, no matter who tells you, it is never your fault. Mother replying, see, no matter who tells you, it is not your fault. First of all, you should understand it is not your fault. So, you should have brave. Next, Janani, but mom, would people I know also do bad touch? Janani asking a question. For that, what? Would people I know also do bad touch? For that, mother replying, see, anyone would do. So, it is important that you keep all the 3 rules in mind. Even if you know the person, can you say the rules? What mother is saying? If you know that people means also, they can also do a bad touch. So, that time you should remember these 3 rules and you can say the rules. Okay, mama. Inside picture given, see what are the places others touch. That is bad touch means that places only. Next, given, see below, safe circle members. Safe circle means your relatives. Father, mother, grandpa, grandma, sister, brother and teacher. They are your safe circle members. Safe circle means they are protecting you and they will not cause any harm to you. That only safe circle members. Below given, see, do you know if someone abuses you or hurts you, you can call 1098 and get helpline. Okay, it is the general information. If someone abuses you means you call this number. This is 1098 and get the helpline. This is child line. Night and day. Side they have picture given, see. Even day or night, the number will work. Now move on to page number 77. Let us discuss. You are playing in the park. Someone gives you eatable things, toys. What will you do? They ask a question. What? You are playing in the park. Someone gives you eatables, things and toys. What will you do? I won't. Answer is I won't get those things. If any unknown person gives you eatable things, toys or some other things means you should not buy. That only said here. I won't get those things. Next, second one, if someone touches you, you feel uncomfortable. What will you do immediately? To whom you will inform this? Yes, normally we see no. If someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable, what will you do immediately? And to whom you inform? That is asking here. I will leave the place. The first one, what? You should leave from that place. I will inform to my parents or teachers immediately. These only you have to do. You have to inform your parents or teachers immediately. Okay, well, mom, you understand? Once again, I recap from page number 74 to this topic is about good touch, bad touch and don't touch. What means good touch means safe circle members, your family members. Known members, touch means it is a good touch. Bad touch means unknown person. Touches means it is a bad touch. And don't touch means if you someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable means that place you have to say don't touch. This is the meaning. As that is a conversation between a mother and a small girl, Janani. Mother is explaining 3 rules to keep remember every time. What are all the rules means? Never write for anyone to look at, touch or talk about your private parts. Okay, first rule is no one should look at your private parts, touch or talk about it, and their private parts about they should not speak or ask to touch. Next, rule number 2, what means? If you feel uncomfortable, anyone touch means you feel sad, scared, confused means at that time you have to say stop. Okay, scream stop and run away from that place. This is the rule number 2. And rule number 3 is after ran away from that place, you have to tell an adult who you trust. Okay, until you get the help. Who are they means whether your parents or teachers. Okay, you have to inform them and get a help. Okay students, I hope you understand this class. Today's homework is page number 77. I have given, see, you are playing in the park, someone gives you eatable things, toys, what will you do? For that I give an answer, see, I won't get those things. Second one, if someone touches you, you feel uncomfortable, what will you do immediately? To whom you will inform these? For that answer is I will leave the place. Second one, I will inform to my parents or teachers immediately. This one you have to write in your book itself. Adjust and write, ma. Next, in between they have, in a conversation they have given dashes here. In page number 75 and all they have given dashes that you have to write. While I am teaching itself, I have said the answers. Okay, you have to write the answer and send, ma. I hope you understand the class. We will meet on next class. Thank you, ma'am.